Here's how to downgrade to free on TurboTax. So in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to see this Switch Products button. And inside of here, you're going to see Upgrade, Downgrade, and Clear and Start Over. I don't see Downgrade because I'm on the free edition right now, but I'm going to show you something because that Downgrade button is going to be different for different people depending on what version of TurboTax you're on. So if I click Upgrade really quick, there's two tabs, Do It Yourself and Expert Assist, or like real experts help you. The Do It Yourself mode, if you're on one of these premium or deluxe versions, and I'm going to go ahead and just upgrade to it, then you're going to be able to downgrade to free. So if in the price preview in the upper right, you're going to be able to see which version of TurboTax you're on and how much you're paying for it. I'm on the online do-it-yourself deluxe edition of TurboTax. And so in the lower left now, I do see a downgrade button. And because I'm in the do-it-yourself tab, then I can downgrade to TurboTax Free Edition. Some of you might click that and see TurboTax Basic Edition. That's because you're on the Real Expert or Live Assist or Expert Assist mode or product. And so I'll show you how you can get back to free too. But TurboTax Free Edition, to downgrade, you literally just have to click that button down there. It's going to downgrade you to free. It's going to tell you a lot of things that you no longer have access to and all that. Well, you don't have to upgrade until your tax situation actually forces you to upgrade, right? Like if you have to fill out different forms that are not just the Form 1040 simple return. But for those of you on the do-it-yourself edition of TurboTax, that's pretty easy. You can just hit that downgrade button, go to free. Now, if you're not, and I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to the Real Expert mode. So we're just going to we'll go all the way up to Premium over here. And we'll see our price preview change here on the right. And it's going to show that we actually are paying quite a bit for this Expert Assist Premium. And you can see here, I've clicked the downgrade button, and I'm actually in this downgrade to Expert Assist Basic, which if you looked at that upgrade tab, it does still cost money. So it's not free. So for you guys, you're going to have to clear and start over, and then I'll show you how to get to the free edition because it might recommend a different product for you, not even recommend free. So you do need to, you'll lose all the information that you've input. So unfortunately, if you've filled out most of your taxes and you're trying to just downgrade to free, then you're going to want to go to Tax Tools on the left, and you're going to want to go to Print Center and print it out, or maybe save a PDF if you can, or at least preview it and screenshot it or something, so you have that information that makes it a little bit easier to refill out your tax return. But on the left, instead of upgrade downgrade, we're going to hit clear and start over. And clear and start over is going to wipe everything and start us fresh. So I'm going to say I want to clear my tax data, and yes, I want to clear my tax data. Now it's going to take us back to that first screen, where that lady is kind of waving at us. And this is very important after this. You have to not check mark any of these questions here. This is just a survey for TurboTax to recommend you products. And so we don't check mark any of those things. We don't say anything applies to our tax return. We say continue, and then we do say we're comfortable doing our own taxes. It's still guided. You can always get help. You can always upgrade, but we want to be on that do-it-yourself tab, if you remember. And so we hit continue again, and now TurboTax will recommend us the $0 do-it-yourself free edition. Now, not everyone can qualify for actually filling this out completely and filing free. 37% or so, they say. It's a simple return. And so once you have things like Schedule C for self-employed income or other information, I mean, they show some of the things here, but there's several things that end up being like separate forms that they have to file for you that requires you to upgrade at least to that next deluxe version. But what I do is I always start free. So I always click this button, say start for $0. And if I do have to upgrade, I'll just pick the cheapest option once that comes up. So in here, you start to answer the questions that apply to you. Say I filed my own taxes and hit continue. And now you're on the TurboTax Free Edition. You can confirm that in the upper right with that price preview to show that you're on that TurboTax Free Edition. Here it is, price preview. It'll load and it'll show we're on that edition. Now, as you're filling out your return, and if you do run into something where you do have to upgrade and pay a little bit, I actually do have an affiliate link in the description, helps support this channel, but it also gets you 20% off any TurboTax product that you have to pay for. So hopefully if you do have to pay something, you can at least get 20% off with that. It helps support this channel, so I really appreciate that. Hopefully I got you back to the free edition and downgraded to the free edition of TurboTax. If you do have any questions, maybe drop them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.